Hi, welcome back. I'm sure you're really enjoying the past videos. If you have not watched our past videos on imagination game, the suggestibility test, do it right now. I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control and Development, Hyderabad, India. I'm a certified NLP trainer and a hypnotherapist. I started learning hypnosis 1972 and started teaching hypnosis 1977. I have students all over the world in 176 countries. Now my friend, watch this video, learn from it, practice on yourself first and then do it on others and have fun and keep coming back to our next videos. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and please click on the button on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever we are going to put a new videos, and I'm going to put a lot of videos in the future, all practical videos to learn hypnosis now. Right now you're watching videos on suggestibility test. I call it imagination game, and you can have fun with your friends. So watch it now and then come back to the next videos. Thank you. Okay, start. Okay, welcome back. I am seeing you have already seen the last videos on hypnotic imagination games, and you might be already practicing with your friends and really amazed. And some of exercises you might have done while I was doing on others. Now this time we'll give you another imagination game, and which I really like it, and it is called catalapsy. So watch it and then I'll explain to you, then you practice on somebody and then give me your feedback. Ready now? Are you ready, madam?
Yes.
Do you know how to pretend? That book thing we did, you remember last time?
Yeah.
Huh? So there was no book in your hand, but you just pretended, right?
Yeah.
So same thing we'll do now. Sit comfortably. Now look at my hand. Take a deep breath. And as you exhale, close your eyes down. Close your eyes down. Now put your awareness on both of your eyelids and pretend they are so heavy, so relaxed to the point that the muscles won't work at all. But you really feel that your eyelids are stuck and you cannot open your eyes, try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. Stop trying, keep your eyes closed. Send the same quality of relaxation from your eyelids to the top of your head, then down to the tips of your toes. Feel a wonderful wave of relaxation going down. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. And in a moment, I'll ask you to, at the count of 3, I want you to open your eyes, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than ever. 1, feel the energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2, become aware of your surroundings. And 3, open your eyes and notice how good you feel. How you felt it?
I felt heaviness on my
eyelids. Okay. You liked it, huh? Now this is another called catalapsy. There are other version, watch it now. So close your eyes again, take a deep breath, close your eyes. Now imagine you are looking up here. You're rolling your eyeballs up, looking up here, you're rolling eyeballs up, and when you're rolling eyeballs up, your eyelids are stuck in a downward position and you cannot open your eyes. Try to open your eyes, but you cannot. The harder you try, the tighter you stuck. Now stop trying and open your eyes, feeling wonderful. How was that? That is different than the last one?
Yeah. I was trying to focus over here.
Yeah, you rolled your eyeballs a little bit up. Yeah. Good. So my friend, watch it. I give you 2 techniques of catalapsy. First was pretending and you cannot open your eyes. Now this is actually a hypnotic induction. The first one. The second one is the catalapsy for imagination purpose. So there is also a little bit physiological here. When you look up, it's difficult to open your eyes. But when you do it on somebody, the person thinks because of hypnotic suggestion. Definitely you're giving a hypnotic suggestion so that make the effect more powerful. So this is a very powerful exercise called catalapsy and can be used for a hypnotic induction also, which I'll be teaching you in my other videos. So find somebody, or you want to do it on yourself, you can do it on yourself and see how it works. And then find somebody and then do it. And you will be amazed how powerful these techniques are. Now there's another thing which you can do. Before you do it on somebody, you show them what is going to happen. Now, so watch me now. I may ask her, so okay, let us do it one more time. So look at me. In a moment, I'll ask you to close your eyes like this. And then pretend that all the muscles and nerves surrounding your both the eyelids are so heavy, so relaxed to the point that the muscles won't work at all and your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. When you're doing really well, when you know the eyelids are stuck, then try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. I show them that it will work like this. And then at the count of 3, you'll open your eyes. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. Now, why we show them? So the person know what is going to happen and how they are going to respond. You understand? So do this right now with your friends. And if you have not yet registered, if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell button to get the notification and share it with your friends. And do this exercise and wait for new videos. Lot of new lessons are coming up. So stay tuned. Thank you very much. Hi, welcome. I'm sure you really enjoyed this exercise. Now find a friend, do it on them, one friend or two friends or three friends, up to you. The more you do it, the better it is. And now, if you really want to learn these new things practically, I conduct a workshop on hypnosis regularly. So click on the link below and check the dates and register immediately. And I have a lot of other things available. So please go and check the links. And now, if you have not, again I remind you, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, subscribe right now and like it. Click on the like button and share it with your friends and click on the notification button so that you get notified every time I put a new video, which I am going to do a lot of them now. So, thank you very much for watching and come back to the next video. Thank you.